Hey John, Adrien Moore here from Loganville Ford. Got that Chevy C1500 Silverado available, ready to go. 45,000 miles, nice extended cab, super clean interior. 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 extended cab. Very nice truck, John. Nice clean interior, vinyl floors. It is a front wheel drive. Super clean, John. I'm gonna spin around to the back. Brand new tires, trailer tow package. Chevy Silverado 2009, John. Super clean. Got your nice running boards. John, overall this truck is in excellent condition. It won't last long. Give me a call, 770-554-9994. 770-554-9994. Again, my name's Adrien Moore. I look forward to hearing from you.